For breakfast today, we're starting simple with creamy oat milk porridge topped with frozen mixed berries. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of oats and 2 cups of oat milk. Stir and cook over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes until thick and creamy. Serve with a handful of frozen berries on top. Now for our breakfast drink, we're making a refreshing coconut water and pineapple cooler. In a blender, combine 2 cups of coconut water and half a cup of pineapple chunks. Blend until smooth, pour over ice and you're ready to go. In a pan, heat olive oil and sauté 1 chopped onion, 1 sliced bell pepper and 1 chopped carrot for 5 minutes. Add 1 can of drained chickpeas and stir for another 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, then serve over cooked rice. While that's cooking, we'll make a refreshing herbal iced tea. Brew 2 herbal tea bags in 1 litre of hot water. Let it cool, then pour over ice. Garnish with a lemon slice. Season 4 chicken drumsticks with salt, pepper and olive oil. Place them in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Roast chopped sweet potatoes in the air fryer for 20 minutes at the same temperature. Steam broccoli on the stovetop for 5 minutes. Lastly, let's make our ginger lemon water for dinner. Add ½ an inch of sliced fresh ginger and 1 lemon slice to a glass of water. Let it sit for 15 minutes before drinking.